What's going on, everybody? It's JA. Today we are taking a look at the next foam runner release. The YEEZY foam runner Onyx is set to drop coming up this Wednesday, June the 8th, in full family sizing. Adult pairs start at $90. This is one of the hottest releases of the summer. Stay tuned, it's coming right up next. So YEEZY foam runner season has returned. Every couple of months, we get some new colorways of one of the hottest pieces of footwear in the industry. So if you happen to be striking out on all of the foam runner releases, this month should be your best opportunity, as we have 3 colorways releasing for the month of June. So later this month, we got the sand restocking, which is gonna be a super hype release. On the 11th, we got the desert sand, which is gonna be another earth tone variation for all of us that have missed out on past releases. And then coming up this Wednesday, June the 8th, we got the black Onyx YEEZY foam runner finally releasing. And I say finally because these did have a small initial release back in February for the Donda 2 listening event that took place in Miami. So of course I was there to witness the madness, as they had a limited amount of pairs of these available at the merch booths. Now, I didn't want none of that madness, but I did witness it, from the safe viewing distance, while resellers fought upon each other, trying to hand money to the people, trying to secure their pairs. And they were successful, as I saw a bunch of resellers copping like 3 to 5 pairs of these. But I wasn't mad. I took a little sneak peek at these, but I wasn't too upset, just because I knew that a larger release was coming down the line, and it is finally here. So we're gonna check these joints out together. Here we have the Onyx pair, which will be releasing soon in full family sizing. So all of you guys, you better take care of the family out there. Secure everybody in the fam. Infants, kid sizes will be available. Take care of the wifey, because this is one of the hottest releases of the summer. Now, for me personally, I don't need these. I already own the mineral blue, which is a very similar vibe. I thought that they were basically identical, but after taking a look at these next to each other, you'll just notice a slight different, hue to them. I don't know if that's enough to make people want to go ahead and cop both pairs. I know the diehard YEEZY enthusiasts will still cop both, but with the mineral blue, you have a slight, blue hue to it, obviously, and then a faint little MX navy pattern on the back, while the Onyx pair is more of like a charcoal blackish pair. So another great release from the YEEZY brand, and who would know that we've been dying to get a pair of black foam runners. Now, this pair is made in China. Some of your foam runners are made in the USA versus others which are made in China. But what makes this pair of foam like so high in demand from everyone in the industry and fans of sneakers in general, it really has to do with a few different factors. One being the comfort. The foam runner is amazing. The comfort level is elite, and that's due to the injected EVA foam mold. These joints definitely feel like you're walking on clouds. You just slide your foot in and go. So you have the ease of putting these on and going. You got the elite level of comfort. And then you have the look. These joints have a futuristic, aerodynamic design. All of these layers just flow naturally. You have the breathability of these. So it's just a complete package overall. So in terms of sizing, YEEZY makes it a little difficult due to the fact that foam runners are not available in half size. It's kind of like the slides. So finding your proper fit is sometimes a little difficult, also due to the fact that some pairs fit a little different than others. But universally, I think most people would say that if you fall in between sizes, you want to round up to the nearest whole size. Now, for each and every pair, as I mentioned, they do fit somewhat different. Most people would say that the pairs made in China fit a little more stiff, a little tighter, while the pairs manufactured in the USA seem to be a little softer and have a little more of a loose fit. But it's kind of odd for this release, because this pair, as I mentioned, is made in China, but have that softer fit, kind of like my OG Aerorat, as well as fit just a little bit bigger than, say, my mineral blue pair, which was made in China as well. So kind of an interesting thing, nothing to get too caught up, but for like the diehard Yeezy enthusiasts, I just wanted to point out that fact. So here you have the mineral blue pair versus the Onyx, and from the naked eye, you can barely tell the differences, but hopefully it's picking up on camera the minimal slight blue hue that you have with the mineral blue versus the charcoal darker appearance of the Onyx. So for this reason, I will not be adding the Onyx to my collection, as I'm satisfied, you know, with the mineral blue pair here. But I wanted to put these both side by side to just show you guys that Ye is really trying to live up to his dream. For those of you guys that follow the brand, Ye was quoted on the Joe Rogan podcast mentioning that his dream was to have the foam runner retail at $20, you know, making them widely available. And he's not really too hip to resell, even though it is what the market is. You know, a pair of foam runners still retailing at $90 sells for more than double on the secondary market. Even after all of the years, all of the countless restocks, these joints are still holding value on the market. But it's great that they're releasing similar colorways. They're flooding the market. Every foam runner release is another 50 to 100,000 pairs on the market. So hopefully over time, you know, with all of the countless restocks and re-releases, similar colorways, it will continue to drive the resale value down, because there are still so many people out there just waiting to try these joints out. Like, I hate overhyping these in videos, and then there's so many people out there that have still yet to try these on. Like, I wish everybody could just share the love that we have for this footwear. They're comfortable, stylish, and then I just love the ease of just throwing these joints on and going, not putting too much thought into it. You know, just those simple, small qualities just make your life easier. So let's take a look one more time at these joints. Once again, they're dropping June 8th, which is a Wednesday. So a little bit of an odd release for a Yeezy drop, but be prepared, guys. You should see raffles live via the Confirmed app. Make sure you guys enter as many raffles for these as possible. With the $90 retail price point, it shouldn't hurt you too much if you guys gotta, you know, enter a few extra raffles. If you happen to hit on multiple pairs, well then Ye just blessed you. You know, you can flip those joints, you know what I'm saying? So check out YeezyInfluence.com. He usually does a great job of posting all of the raffles, but yeah, this is gonna be a bloodbath. Everybody's gonna be looking to cop these, so I just wanna wish all of you guys good luck. Salute to everybody for tuning in for today's video. We're gonna wrap it up here. I'm J.A. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Salute.